Welcome back. In the world of AI, learning isn't a one-size-fits-all process. We categorize machine learning into 4 distinct types to give you the full picture used by industry experts. Think of supervised learning like a student in a classroom. The teacher provides a textbook where every question already has a correct answer. The student learns by matching the input to the label. Supervised learning is split into 2 categories. Regression is for continuous numbers, like predicting weather. Classification is for buckets, like diagnosing a disease or detecting fraud. In unsupervised learning, there is no teacher. The machine is given a massive pile of raw data and must find the structure by itself. It uses 4 main methods: clustering for groups, dimensionality reduction for simplicity, anomaly detection for weird spikes, and association for relationships like people buying bread and butter. Labeling a million X-rays is expensive. Semi-supervised learning uses a tiny bit of labeled data to teach the AI, which then handles the rest of the unlabeled mountain. This is like training a puppy. The AI agent takes an action in an environment. If it does well, it gets a reward. If it fails, it gets a penalty. To wrap up, here is the comparison. Supervised for predictions, unsupervised for structures, semi-supervised for efficiency, and reinforcement for interactive tasks. Next time, we're diving deep into supervised learning to build a regression model. Like and subscribe to join the AI Masterclass. Subscribe to My Concept Cafe.